CFS Brands does more than make and sell products. We offer customer-centric solutions and end-to-end support to give your business a competitive edge. Regardless of your industry, consumers have never been more focused on cleaning and safety protocols. That heightened awareness and expectation is here to stay. So, we're here to help you with hygiene tools and tips that will help keep your customers healthy and happy. From maintaining safety and cleanliness to embracing a more visible cleaning process and adopting more color-coded and smart products, we will offer solutions and strategies to rise above the competition. Meeting and exceeding your cleaning and safety goal is priority one. CFS Brands, your partner in grime. For more information, contact your sales representative or visit cfsbrands.com. CFS Brands, designing value, delivering success.